Hi, I'm Joel, one of the product specialists here at Barn Pros, and I'm here to tell you all about our top-of-the-line paddock, road, and stall mat solutions. VersiGrid is the perfect solution for stabilizing and providing drainage for even the muddiest slopes. The system is both strong and flexible, manufactured from post-consumer reinforced LDPE. It has a load-bearing capacity of more than 30,000 pounds per square foot, so it can handle heavy equipment use. VersiGrid comes in the standard 1.5-inch thickness and heavy-duty 2-inch thickness for ground that is perpetually wet or very high traffic. To determine how much you need, simply divide your entire square footage by 12. You can buy individual layers or entire pallets for additional savings. Our Sofscape pavers are a unique rubber flooring surface, ideal for residential, equine, and commercial applications. These extremely durable pavers are made from recycled tire rubber and create a slip-resistant, cushioned surface which reduces fatigue and slip and fall injuries. They're simple to install, virtually maintenance-free, easy to clean, and provide a slip-free surface due to their superior drainage. They are also unaffected by freezing and thawing, so they are reliable even in extreme climates. Because they are made of rubber, they have the added benefit of sound reduction compared to cement pathways. These Sofscape pavers are highly functional, come in various colors, and look beautiful on any property. We also offer 3 types of mats: straight edge, interlocking, and pebbled wash bay mats. Our interlocking and straight edge mats are 3/4 inch thick and made from 100% recycled vulcanized rubber. Our interlocking mats are made using an ultrasonic cutting technology, which is as close as possible to producing a single sheet of rubber that covers the entire stall floor. The tight fit of these stall mats drastically reduces shifting, lifting, and sliding. Bedding and urine accumulation, common under standard mats, is reduced significantly. They are easy to install and even easier to maintain. Our straight edge mats have buttons on the bottom to improve drainage, and our wash bay mats are pebbled to improve traction as well as drainage. For detailed specifications on all of our products, feel free to browse our online store or pick up the phone and call us anytime. We're here to help.